So this is probably one of my favorite cars. I don't have it here. I have the pickup truck one. I think it's awesome. This is a Holden VF Commodore SSV. And in America, it's the Impala SS. Very nice. I think what stands out for me in this one is I like the SS, but the checkerboard stripe police, that's just sharp. Very nice, very sharp. And the front end I think is plain, but it's very sharp looking. Absolutely. Numbers on the side, that's just sharp. Turn it this way, see if we can say right there. Wow, very nice. Loving this car, guys. Wow, good looking car. Thanks for watching, guys.